How to make so much money wholesaling that your accountant gets nervous. They're like, well, what are you doing? Why are you making so much money so dang fast? And is this wholesaling thing legal? Well, what we're going to break down today is exactly the constraints that you're having in your wholesaling business and how to get rid of those constraints so you can start making a ton of money wholesaling. Now, the way I like to look at a constraint in wholesaling, that's right here, is kind of like a seesaw, because in wholesaling real estate, you only have two constraints in this business. And so let's kind of look at a seesaw balancing. Yes, I do not know at all how to draw. We already know this. This has already been established. But I kind of look at it at this seesaw where basically you have constraint one and constraint two. And if you add like a boulder of constraint, it all goes this way and it's just boom, right? You kind of want them to be balanced if you can, but most people have only one constraint. And so this is the way we look at it. So constraint number one is going to be the least common one, but a constraint many people have of why they can't grow their business. And this is going to be time. And this is going to be time, meaning I just don't have enough time in the day to call sellers, close sellers, and go find deals. Now, obviously, if we can give you more time, that's the one constraint here, and you can start making a ton more money in wholesaling. On the other end, we get a lot of wholesalers that say money's my biggest constraint. And I would probably second that, as that is probably the most common issue wholesalers have. So that being said, the reason why you can't get a wholesaling deal right now, or the reason why you can't grow your wholesaling business, is because you just don't have enough time and you don't have enough money. Now, some wholesalers, they got both issues, right? They don't have enough time and they got no money. It gets very, very difficult. So the truth is we have to attack this problem by fixing one problem and not both at the same time. And unironically, they are both the solutions to their problems. So if you have no time, you got to put money into this business. And if you have no money, you got to put time into this business. So the constraints are so funny because it's a yin and a yang. If you don't have the yang, you need the yin. And if you don't have the yin, you need the yang. I don't even know what I'm saying here, but it's absolutely true though. So what do we focus on if we have no time? And what do we focus on if we have no money? Well, you might be like, well, Zach, actually, if you have no time, you got to focus on money. And that's not exactly true. So let's kind of look at the scales as if we have this big boulder right here. And that's the thing stopping us from having success. So we got two little boulders on the balancing scale. And with the time, it's like, well, what do we have to focus on so we don't have this issue? Well, with time, we got to focus on ROT. And ROT stands for return on time. And on the other end, we have to deal with ROI, which you probably heard before. But that is return on investment. Basically what this means is if I don't have a lot of time, I need to be focusing on activities that are going to give me a good return on my time, which means if I spend an hour, I can get a ton of leads compared to something else. For example, texting is going to yield a better return on my time than cold calling, because I'll probably get 5 or 6 leads in an hour texting versus maybe 1 or 2 from calling. So the currency is time. And so if I want to get the most leads for a unit of time for an hour, texting would actually be the correct solution. Truth is, you could send 2,000 or 3,000 texts in an hour, and you're constrained how many calls you can make in an hour. So return on time is what we want to focus on. Now, on the other end, the other currency is return on investment. So for every dollar I spend, how many leads I'm going to get back from there? Well, this is a flip, because cold calling is going to give us the most leads for the cheapest cost compared to texting. So it's kind of the flip side, right? Texting is good here, calling's better here. So it really depends on what you want to focus on. But if money's our issue, we want a good ROI. Obviously, what is the best ROI? Well, you spent nothing and you make money. So $0 marketing strategies are going to be best with no money. And with time, it's like, well, what can we do for maybe 5 hours a week? That's all I have to start having success in wholesaling. Now, to make this even easier, let me show you a 3-step process to get out of these main issues and constraints so our accountant starts getting nervous. So I'm going to call it step 1, step 2, and then step 3. Let's divide the step a little easier, and let's divide it up here, just so you kind of understand where we're at. And of course, I don't know how to draw. And we get rid of the balancing scales, right? Because it's kind of divided now. So let's talk about time being our issue. The average avatar for wholesaling that is having time constraints or issues, probably, I'm just going to guess, just a regular person, right? This is most likely you. definitely not going to be you, but most likely about 40% of the audience that have time issues is probably a mom or a dad that works a full-time job with kids, because it's kind of hard to grind from like 5 to 8 p.m. when you got to deal with your kids. Nothing wrong with having kids, right? Obviously, I want kids in the future, but like kids kind of eat up a lot of your time. Hey, don't cancel me for saying that, but it is true, right? So the thing about it is, if we don't have time, we have to start focusing on things that will help us buy back our time the most, which are going to be things, obviously, that will give us the best return on our time. So what gives us the best return on our time in wholesaling? Well, the best return on time is going to be just me pouring money into the business. So if I can hire, let's say, 5 cold callers to call a triple line dialer on X leads, then I don't really have to work too hard to start getting leads. But do we have the budget for it? Probably not, right? So the easiest thing for me to say if I want to stand on a pedestal and feel better than you is, oh, you got no time? Just spend 14 grand a month in marketing. I mean, this would be a 5-second video for you, right? But how do we do if we have like $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 budget, right? And we don't have time? Because that's where a lot of the effort's going to be put, because obviously you throw 10 grand on your problems, yeah, money kind of solves a lot of issues. So what I'll tell you is time efficient marketing is going to be your best one, right? Good, what I call ROT marketing. So again, government lists are pretty good. Email blasting, DBS, which is digital bandit signs, reverse drawing for dollars, obviously people. So that's going to be VAs. And then I'm going to put here, and I'm putting in green, so we know that it's going to cost money, but like tools, right? So tools like X leads, dialers, SMS blasters, right? So we'll make it look a little different, but it really depends on the type of efficiency you want on ROT, right? Because if we don't have any money, then I'm going to tell you straight up, go to probates, go to code violations, fire damage properties, right? The classic government list I tell you, because they're very, very efficient compared to like an X leads list. And then start email blasting, because yes, email blasting doesn't cost any money, but you can send 1,000 emails in an hour and get a ton of inbound leads without spending a dime and not spending too much money. So email blasting is an infinite return on investment and an amazing return on time. Digital bandit sign is the same thing. We have our whole digital bandit sign academy inside of freewholesaling.com and in my free WAP, ZachDiscord.com, where reverse drawing for dollars is amazing. Leveraging other people, again, that's going to cost money. So let's actually make this green too, so we understand that this is actually going to cost us money. But again, hiring VAs are going to be at least $4, $5, $6 an hour. So they're not extremely cheap. So definitely you have to go out here and leverage it with VAs. Now the tools that I'm going to recommend for you, if you're looking to scale, or if you just don't have a lot of time, obviously X leads, right, starts at $97 a month. You get 15,000 skip trace records. You get the Ninja Mode CRM, you get a dialer, you get a cheap SMS blaster. And the reason is, inside of X leads, especially Ninja Mode, the CRM, you can send 2,000 or 3,000 texts for the cheapest price possible, and then set them up for cold calling and add a VA on there and definitely build out the systems. The main issue here is it does cost money. So if you have no money, stick to the free stuff, but make sure you do the free stuff that gets the best return on time, which are going to be government lists and maybe even my list of the month, but that gets slightly saturated. So we got to understand that. But that's where the best ROT return on time is going to be. Now, on the flip side, when we don't have much money, it's actually a way easier conversation. You got no money, you're broke. So of course, the free marketing is pretty much all you can do, right? You're going to have to pour time into this. This stuff I'm not going to tell you on this end, but it'll work. So for example, what is the best return on investment? What is free? $0 stuff, right? There's going to be cold calling. Pretty much anything we can do on Google Voice. Google Voice is the GOAT. You can use our free CRM. Now I get asked a lot, Zach, how do we use your free CRM? Well, if you go to freewholesaling.com, you can just download the free CRM in there. And it's for cold calling CRM, which is free. And it's also my lead CRM. It's all into one. Pretty cool. I'll show you how to do it to track your leads completely for free, all in freewholesaling.com. I would also do JVs with the community. So you can be in the WAP community, ZachDiscord.com, the Discord, or just be in freewholesaling.com. But you can get JV deals and they cost no money too. So that's another great way to get free wholesaling deals. Now I do provide lists for free also. So this is going to be my LOM, my list of the month. And one is a government list and one is an X leads list. And I actually provide them absolutely for free. So I definitely hit up my list of the month. I actually post them in freewholesaling.com, where every single month I'll go pull list on X leads, skip trace it, like 4, 5, 6,000. I'll give it to you absolutely for free. And it'll also pull a government list for you and skip trace it for free to give it to you for the LOM or the list of the month. So highly recommend you start doing that, but really start pulling your own government list too. Call them, text them with Google Voice, use the CRM, do the JVs, you're good to go, right? On top of that too, I'd say digital bandit signs, DBS, digital bandit signs work, emailing works. Now you might not have money for drawing for dollars, but like there's so many strategies in the free course in freewholesaling.com that you can do to start getting deals. I mean, going back to the freewholesaling.com, right, we list 34 ways to get a wholesaling deal without spending a dime. It's never going to be the time that is your problem or your money. You just got to know how to deal with these constraints. Now, on top of this too, I get a lot of wholesalers telling me that there's a imaginary third constraint why you can't get deals. And everyone says it's info, right? Information is the big boogeyman of why I can't become successful. They say, oh, it's because I don't have the information. Guys, you already know, right? I teach wholesaling real estate absolutely for free. This is imaginary. It's a fugazi. It's fake. Gabagool, right? Because if you go to freewholesaling.com and the Discord, ZachDiscord.com, those are the two communities and they're kind of the same. Yeah. But that pretty much eliminates that info zero problem, right? That's my free wholesaling course. It's my complete wholesaling course. So information's never the reason because the information is going to tell you, hey, focus on ROT or focus on ROI. And in the course, I teach you how to do this. And again, I'm not charging you for this information. Now, once we start getting leads and deals from step one, we do not want to stay in step one. Step one is not fun. It's not a little picnic. It low-key kind of sucks. It is a grind, but you got to get through that grind so you can go to step 2 and 3, which makes your life way easier. And step 2 is going to be basically what I'm calling, let me actually run the middle here, because they're actually both the same thing you got to focus on. But it's basically going to be something called reinvesting. So once you actually start making money, we want to start investing the money we make back into tools and systems so we could start getting even a better ROT or ROI. So when it comes to our time constraint, we're going to invest into tools and people to make sure that they are putting their time in if we can't. So for example, maybe I do some government lists, maybe I'm email blasting, I get my first deal. I'm probably first and foremost straight up going to hire VAs to do some more cold calling for me. On top of that too, I'm going to add volume, right? So if that keeps working, we're going to start adding volume. And then on top of that too, we're going to add channels. So let's say we get our first deal from texting a code violation. Well, we're going to start calling code violations. We got our first deal from texting a probate list. We're going to start pulling more probates and texting more of them, right? I know this is a simple concept, but if we still are working that full-time job and yeah, we made 20 grand and we can't quit the job yet, which hopefully should be the main goal. Well, we're going to use that 20 grand and not blow it into the Bellagio in Vegas in the weekend. We're going to go out here. We're going to buy X leads, get the best data. We're going to get the CRM, the dialer from X leads, and we're going to start hiring VAs on online jobs. Then we're going to start adding more marketing channels, adding more volume, and we're going to start getting more deals. Then we're going from making 20 grand just 1 month to 20 grand a month consistently, maybe 30 grand a month consistently. And we just start making more money and treating this like a real business. On the flip side, on the return on investment, obviously, money really won't be our main issue, right? Because we make $10,000 our first wholesaling deal. Well, we're not broke anymore, so we can basically do the same thing. We're going to reinvest into paid tools, right? A dialer, texting systems, right? And then obviously we're going to add VAs so we can push that volume and we're going to add more channels. But these are pretty much the same side of the same coin here. Because once we get money, we don't have any issue. Once we start making more money, we start pouring more money and you get more time. Problem is we still don't have time really much for this. But this will lead us to step 3, which is our solution, which is hopefully you start making at least 100 grand a year, 6 figures, just wholesaling. And then we can quit your 9 to 5, which the reason why your time sucks is probably because you have a job. And I'll be honest with you. I know we like to blame kids for everything around here, but if you're wholesaling full time and you have kids, you can 100% make that work. It's just that job that's it's working the wholesaling job and the regular job. When you get rid of the regular job and all you do is wholesale, then hang out with your kids, you can do 30, 40, 50 hours a week. That's it. So the main reason why we have no time are kids probably and or our job. We can't eliminate kids, but we can eliminate the job. Oh man, but it's true. And once we get, I think at least 100 grand a year, or at least you're making your salary in wholesaling, quit your job, and you're going to find that when you double your time, and this is the biggest hack I tell anybody, once you go from like 10 hours a week of wholesale, 10 hours a week of wholesaling, and then you start pushing it down to like 50 hours a week, you're almost going to double your income, because think about how much money you're making. You're making 6 figures only doing 10 hours a week of wholesaling. Imagine what's going to happen when we do 40 hours. You're going to double your income overnight. So that's the main goal when we don't have much time. Money, it's actually a lot simpler. We're just going to keep with time. We're going to start convert with a lack of money. Once you start making money, we're going to start utilizing money to do 2 things. We're going to test and scale. And that's how we destroy that constraint. Because the truth here is that you don't know what works if you don't test it out. So test all the lists, all the marketing channels we talk about, and choose the ones that start working, and you'll start scaling up. Because if money is the main issue, or start making more money, that's how you go from making 10 grand a month to 20 grand a month, up to $50,000 a month, by testing what works and what doesn't work. Now, speaking of accountants here, the only accountants in wholesaling real estate that I recommend are wholesalingtax.com. Wholesalingtax.com is the only tax firm, CPA firm that actually works with wholesalers that have been trained by me and Rick. And basically what this is a partnership with one of the biggest business corporate services in the country. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna help file your LLC for $0. You just gotta pay the state fees and whatever the cost is for that. But they will help you file your LLC and make your articles of incorporation, stuff like that. Wholesalingtax.com will give you a CPA that actually knows about wholesaling real estate to help you write off your marketing, and they'll actually file your taxes for you. And they'll provide bookkeeping and asset protection. So if you do not have an accountant and you're starting to make money wholesaling, make sure you check out wholesalingtax.com. But back to the part is, that's kind of an issue when we start making money. If you want to start getting really rich wholesaling real estate, focus on what you're constrained and then work down the steps, and you can start getting rich wholesaling real estate. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, go to freewholesaling.com or free wholesaling course and community, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.